Hi friends, welcome to Gona's Reading Ranch. Today we are going to read Little Blue Truck's Valentine by
Alice Schertle and Jill McElmurray.
Okay, let's read. Little Blue Truck's Valentine. Little Blue Truck was on his way delivering cards on Valentine's Day. Blue felt happy, for truth to tell, he hoped to get some cards as well. Blue drove into Hen's front yard with a polka dot, egg-shaped Valentine's card. Blue said beep, and Hen said cluck. What a perfect Valentine, Little Blue Truck. Pig's pink card said, please be mine. Beep, said Blue, happy Valentine. Oink, said Pig, a pretty pink, just right for cards and pigs, I think. In his big red barn was Big Brown Horse, and Blue brought a big red card, of course. Nay, said Horse, what's this I see? A card almost as big as me. His card for Cow had a big bouquet. Beep, said Blue, happy Valentine's Day. Moo, said Cow, what a treat. A card that's good enough to eat. Duck was out for a nice cool swim, and Blue had a special card for him. A heart-shaped sail on a little red boat. Quack, said Duck, my card can float. 2 cards for Goat and Sheep, with candy hearts. Beep, beep, beep. Bah, said Sheep. Sweet card, Blue. Ma, said Goat, mine is too. Blue headed home, and all the way he tried to be glad it was Valentine's Day. But Valentine's Day didn't seem much fun when he didn't get cards from anyone. His own front door was open wide. Home at last. Blue drove inside. He couldn't believe his headlight eyes. Everyone yelled, surprise, surprise. The end. Well, Rainey liked that story a lot. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. I know Rainey and I will, and Jonathan too. And what do we say, Jonathan?
Like, subscribe, and follow for more.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Friends, welcome to Gona's Reading Ranch. Join us weekly for reading adventures around the farm.
And don't forget, go to our website and subscribe to our channel.
See you soon.